The reason I decided to embark on this early admissions exercise EAE journey is because it is one of the best options for secondary school students, especially for those who are clear about their passions in life.
My friends and I felt that this gave us a big advantage over our peers. It provides students the opportunity to secure a conditional offer to their preferred courses based on aptitudes and interests, even before the O-level exams.
I've always been into planes and everything related to aviation. After visiting Republic Polytechnic, I was instantly drawn to my dream course, Diploma in Aviation Management.
I've always been captivated by medicine's profound effect on the body. I knew I wanted a course that will help me achieve my dreams of becoming a pharmacist, enabling me to give back to the society by saving lives.
In addition to securing your dream course, a big advantage of signing up for EAE at RP is the chance to participate in RP's EAE Headstart program, which allows us to complete a module before everyone else.
With the Headstart program allowing me to complete a module in advance, that gave me more time and energy to make new friends and foster stronger connections with my classmates.
While my friends were still adjusting and trying to get a grasp of life in poly, the Headstart program has already equipped me with first-hand experience on how lessons are conducted.
One difference that I like about RP is the problem-based learning. This method makes learning fun and it helps me to collaborate, brainstorm, research, and present confidently.
RP trains us to be independent, which will be helpful when we graduate and enter workforce.
Presentations are a daily activity in class, and lessons are very dynamic and interactive. The learning experience here keeps us agile and trains us to think on our feet.
Another benefit of EAE Headstart program is definitely the facilities visits. It's like an exclusive access.
I remember during the Headstart program, we were brought to the arch where two beautiful aircraft can be found. It immediately gave me goosebumps.
When you start in a new school or environment, making the right friends feels like a priority. And I think the Headstart program was very useful in that aspect.
For those who are still wondering, I wholeheartedly believe that EAE at RP will be helpful for you. You will have the advantage of touring the facilities, completing one module, meeting your future lecturers, and making new friends. All this before the semester starts.
Achieve so much more with EAE at RP and stay ahead of your peers via the Headstart program. Find out more on RP's website.